Hey everyone, welcome back to Works Garage. In today's video, we will be installing the Dauntless OBD on the GR86. It packs a lot of features in such a small product, and it's very simple to install. Let's get this started. Today's video is supported by my Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Please check out that list, as it will have parts I may have already installed in past videos, and it will have a curated list of other products I recommend. I really appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. I purchased this product from Hachi Electronics. A link will be in the description below. With this device, you are getting a wiring harness here that plugs into where your sound module was. You know, the one that puts the faux engine noise in the cab of the car. So if you want to retain that, you can pay a little more and get a different wiring harness or a different adapter to make it plug up. I do not want to retain faux engine sound. So here is the device along with a link that I'll link up and get for the app that goes on your cell phone to control and add the features you want to your device or to your car from this device. This is the wiring harness that's included. Again, it plugs into your ASC, which is on the passenger side of the dash. For this simple install, we will be removing the side panel here to get to the plug for the sound enhancer. We will be opening the glove box and removing the glove box. It's all simple. You need a plastic tool, I recommend, to pop these panels off, because you do not want to scratch your panels, or at least I wouldn't want to scratch my panels here. But it is very simple to pop off here. We will be pulling out the sides here, the side thing here. And then you will be going at it like this, just pushing the sides in here. Push your finger here on the side of the plug here. The plug faces this way, your little finger thing is here. Grab the cable, wrap your fingers around it, push that little button there and pull down. So there's two little humps right here. Of course, the two humps up here, I assume, are the ones that plug in there. So I guess it'll plug just like this. It does. Here is a wiring harness for the dash cam. Whatever brand you have, you can get different adapters from Hachi Electronics. I'm going to try and sneak this in here now, and let's see what it does here now. Let's see if I can reach it from the other side here now. So like I was saying, you can just neck it through here and bring it out into your glove box if you would like. You could Velcro it on the side in here as an option. So it comes with these two documents here. This one for the app for the Dauntless to give you your added features. This one, I guess, is a track app that they now offer. Not going to be trying the track app out in this video. So we're going to take my cell phone here. We're going to scan this and see where it takes us. As you can see there, the app page was not found. So maybe we can try the Google Play Store. You can try your whatever your Apple store is called. I don't do Apple phones, so let's try. Let's look for Dauntless. DauntlessOBD, I believe this is it. The logo looks correct. It's the third one here in the drop down. I'm going to install it. on my phone. Let's open it. Let's accept terms. I don't want to share my data, so I'm not going to. Permissions needed. You'll allow every time. You will connect. Device not paired. Yes, I do. Plug it in, it says here. And start the engine. So we're going to start the motor now. Now that we have the car started, we're going to go back and select next. Okay, I need to hold the Dauntless button for 3 seconds on the device to get it in the pairing mode. Normal mode is a slow blinking, and a fast blinking is pairing mode. Right now, it's a slow blink. Don't know where the Dauntless button is on this here. Oh, on the back here maybe? It's a little black button here. Now it is blinking really fast. If you can see that under the dash there in the dark. So I will click next. I will accept the pairing because it said Dauntless. We are now paired. Click finish. We will connect. Okay, so now it's telling what vehicle I have here. Let's select vehicle options. See what we have here as options here. Looks like we have auto door lock, auto lock except track mode, auto unlocking, any event. So we're going to select the track auto lock. I want auto lock. As you know, these cars don't lock themselves. I want let's see, when the parking brake, when the seat belt, when the engine or seat. Let's go in any event, so I assume that'll be engine off, parking brake, seat belt unbuckled, and engine off, engine or seat belt. So we're going to do all of them, any event. Now we're going to do remote windows up. It looks like remote windows up is on. Hold the locking button long. That's what I want, so we're going to keep it that way. Looks like remote windows down is already set to hold unlock long, but we could make it short or turn it off, so I'm going to keep it on long, unlock. And then remote windows down for first press. Not sure what that means. Oh, how far you want the windows open. Do you want them open a full down? Do you want them large? Do you want, which probably is, I don't know, 2/3 maybe, medium, half, or small. We'll leave them full down. And then we're going to key fob, unlock both doors on first press. Maybe that would be a neat feature. Let's go ahead and activate that. Driver door sensor, windows up on unlock. Let's try that. Driver door sensor, windows up on unlock. Let's don't accept that because I'm not sure. Looks like you could set your alarms for your RPM and your vehicle speed. It looks like you could go max RPM. Observe engine RPM, vehicle speed, vehicle engine coolant temp. Looks like it's telling all that to us is what it is. You would reset those if you want to monitor, maybe that's what that means. Not a pace car. Now, door chime. If we disable this door chime, I wonder if it hurts our cruise control. Let's go disable door chime on. Door chime disabled. Let's try it. Disable all active features. Not sure what that means. Looks like we can door sensor unlock. Driver's door only. Vehicle alarm settings. We can turn the alarm on or off. Engine sound generator, which I've unplugged. I guess you could have left it plugged in. Looks like auto AC on start. All these are highlighted. Auto recirculation, auto AC for defrost, daytime running lamps. Looks like we can turn all this off if we wanted. Eyesight, rear radar, TPMS. Looks like you could set up TPMS sensors. Command. Certain additional service commands may appear here. Window control command, a door lock command, interior beep. That's just seeing what it sounds like, I guess. We're not going to mess with any of this stuff. I really don't want any of the rest of it disabled. Okay, so we've added all the features I want. Let's go outside and see how the windows work with the remote control, with the fob. Very neat. As you could see, everything works, so I'm going to put everything back together here with just reverse steps, and then we're going to go on a drive here. So I'm just going to set it here on top for now. Looks like it has plenty of room for the cables here. And don't forget to put your panel back on. We're going to start our little drive here to test out how this controller works. There it was. It looks like about 10 miles an hour the door's just locked. Now I know if you turn the eyesight off, it disables the cruise control, which I don't want to do because this is not a track focused car. I want to be able to have cruise control. Looks like cruise is still working. I'm curious what the door shut off was. Chime. Maybe we can pull over up here and I can open the door and see if it does its stupid chime that it was doing, letting you know you've left the motor on and your door is now open. I think this car should have the feature to lock the doors auto. This only car I know of that doesn't have that feature. That feature's been around since, I want to say, at least in Mustangs. I think my 97 Mustang had an auto locking door. 2025, come on, Tubaroo. See here, we'll pull over up here. See about the handbrake, if that removes the, unlocks the doors or not. Suppose you wouldn't want the handbrake if you were drifting to be unlocking the doors. But maybe it knows it has to be pulled over and stopped. Yes, it has to be stopped for the seat belt. They've just locked. Let's pull back over. And let's try the emergency brake now. That works. Let's try to go again and see what happens. That one relocked. Let's shut the car off and see if the doors unlock. That worked. Now that we've got the car running, let's open the door and see if the chime starts going. Okay, the chime has officially been disabled. So if you have one of these, comment below what features you would have turned on for your BRZ GR86. What features should I have turned on or should I have tested? I think it is worth it. It's about $150-ish, this little dongle here is, which is well worth it. It's a simple, cheaper modification, and I do like the fact that it auto locks the doors. If you're in a sketchy area and you pull up to a stop sign, you kind of want your doors locked. If you're locking them on your own, you can't get out of the car by just pulling on the door handle. Like some cars, it unlocks when you pull the door handle. Not these cars. You have to auto unlock again with the button. You have to unlock with the unlock button. So as far as value for the money, you're getting a lot. In my 1 to 5 scale, 5 being the most, I'm going to tell you, you are getting a 5 with this device, especially if it can do that lap feature. Over the top. Ease of installation, a 5. You saw it was very simple to plug it in. This is going to conclude today's video. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And remember, treat others how you would want to be treated. Have a good week.